D-Day.
D-Day. The Allied forces consisted of the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, Australia, Belgium, Czechoslovakia, Denmark, France, Greece, Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, and Poland. The Allied Supreme Commander was General Dwight D. Eisenhower, who led 3 million men, 13,000 aircrafts, 2,500 landing crafts, and 1,200 warships. Leading the German forces in northern France was Field Marshal Erwin Rommel and his superior Commander-in-Chief Marshal Gerd von Rundstedt. The plan required detailed planning, though eventually the Allied forces landed 150,000 men in Normandy. The Allies gained air and sea superiority, but not strong land superiority. Air attacks were launched across France to make it more difficult for Germany to advance. Deception was used in order to falsify the location of the Allies. There were 5 landings made by the Allies on 5 beaches: Utah, Omaha, Gold, Juno, and Sword.
Out of all the beaches Allied troops fought on, Omaha Beach is definitely a crucial topic of the battle. It was the first wave of landing and had the heaviest fighting and casualties. Omaha was one of the 2 beaches assigned to the U.S., and there were about 2,400 American soldiers killed. German defenses were much stronger than anticipated by the U.S., but after a hard battle, the troops secured the beach. This set up success for the rest of the invasion. Utah Beach was also involved, and the battle was the westernmost landing zone that was assigned to the U.S. compared to Omaha Beach. The landings at Utah were much easier because the Germans had fewer defenses there. There were around 200 to 300 American casualties, which is a much lower number compared to the Omaha battle.
The British landed on Gold Beach using warships, tanks, and soldiers to break through German defenses, and by taking control, they disrupted German supply lines and helped secure an important base for the Allied forces in Normandy. The UK forces arrived at Sword Beach, where they helped connect the other beaches like Gold Beach and Juno Beach, forming a continuous line of Allied control along the coast, which made it harder for the Germans to push back and strengthen the overall invasion efforts. D-Day happened in World War II because of the Allies like the United States, United Kingdom, Soviet Union, France, and Canada needed to fight back against Nazi Germany and win the war. The invasion of the Allies was known as Operation Overlord. On June 6, 1944, they landed in Normandy, France. They chose France because it was the least invaded country in Europe. Going in, they had a goal to fight back German military and liberate France.